today's class, we will be learning about computer ethics. Responsible use of computers. Put on the computer system when you need to and shut it down properly when the system is not in use. An air conditioner for effective cooling of the computer is ideal. Computer connections should be arranged to protect the computer from damage. Avoid running computer cables on the floor. Do not move the computer system while it is switched on to prevent interruptions and potential damage. Furniture in the computer system should be arranged in such a way that students can use the keyboard, mouse, and other peripherals without any difficulty. The computer system should be serviced regularly and covered after use. Responsible ways of using the internet. Respect others' privacy. Avoid accessing passwords or unauthorized information fraudulently. Check your email regularly and respond promptly and politely to mails. Respect copyright laws by not copying or duplicating protected works or software without due permission. There should be no discrimination, e.g., sex, race, and therefore, respect the opinions of other participants in the net group. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.